Hello everyone, welcome to Homework Help. You can support the channel by becoming a member using the join button. In this video, we'll solve this problem using sine law. As per the problem, find the value of x. We are given a triangle in which x represents the length of side opposite to the 80-degree angle. Let's start by analyzing this given triangle. We can label the corners in this triangle. In this triangle, we are given the measure of angle D. We are given the measure of angle E. As you may know, sum of angles in a triangle is 180 degrees. So the measure of angle F is equal to 180 degrees minus 80 degrees minus 60 degrees, which is equal to 40 degrees. That's the measure of angle F. So we can see that this is not a right angle triangle. This is an acute angle triangle because all angles in this triangle are less than 90 degrees. Since this is not a right angle triangle, we cannot use SOHCAHTOA to find the value of x. This is an important concept we need to understand and memorize. In this triangle, we are given the measures of two angles and the length of side EF. This is AAS case because we are given the measure of two adjacent angles and the side on which the second angle lies. So this is AAS case. Since this is AAS case, we can use sine law to find the value of x. In this triangle, we are given the measure of angle D and we know the length of side that's opposite to angle D. The length is 7 units and we are given the measure of angle E 80 degrees and it is opposite to side that is labeled as x. So we can use sine law equation to find the value of x. We should write the sine law equation with side lengths in the numerator because it is easier to use that form of equation to find the length of unknown side using sine law equation. We are given the measure of angle D and side D is opposite to angle D. So we can start writing our equation as D over sine D equals E, which is the length of side opposite to angle E, over sine E. Now we can sub in the values. The length of side D is 7. E is x, the unknown side length, and angle E is 80 degrees. This is the equation we have to solve to find the value of x. We can isolate x on the right side of this equation by cross multiplying sine 80 degrees to the left side of the equation. I get 7 over sine 60 degrees times sine 80 degrees equals x. 7 divided by sine 60 degrees is equal to 8.0829 rounded to 4 decimal places. Next, we can multiply 8.0829 and sine 80 degrees. I get 7.96 rounded to 2 decimal places. Therefore, the value of x is 7.96 rounded to 2 decimal places, or x equals 8 rounded to the nearest whole number. This should be the final answer for this problem. So these are the steps you have to keep in mind to solve this problem. I hope you'll find this video useful. Please share it, like it, and subscribe to Homework Help. Thank you very much and have a nice day. Bye.